In today's video, we will talk about sales accounting. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the any web browser and search for the sales website. Then you can simply sign up to the sales website. Basically, Sales Account is cloud-based software designed for small and medium businesses to manage finances, including invoicing, payments, and reporting. It offers features like automation, bank reconciliation, and payroll services to streamline accounting. So basically, simply tap on the sign up option available here. And now here you will have to give your personal information about your business, your place, and many more, and simply continue with that. After you set up the account, the dashboard provides a snapshot of your financial data such as invoices, cash flow, expenses, bank accounts, and you can customize your dashboard to focus on key financial indicators relevant to your businesses as well. You can also link your bank account to Sales so transactions automatically sync. This will allow Sales to categorize your expenses and income automatically. So you can also create invoice using these Sales very easily. You can input customer details, item descriptions, quantity and price, set due dates and taxes, and email the invoice directly from Sales to customers and track payments as well. Firstly, you will need to focus on setting up core aspects like invoicing and bank reconciliation before moving to advanced feature. So make sure to use recurring invoices, bank feeds, and automated reminders to minimize manual tasks. You can take advantage of Sage's free trial to explore the platform before committing fully as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.